Hello everyone! For today's video, I'm with Rian.
Hello! And we have Labubu.
Ano ba naman yan, Rian? Mag-intro pa nga tayo eh. And for today's video, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung aming mga
Labubu.
labubu. Yan. How many labubu do we have?
5.
You count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay guys, ito yung original talaga. Ay, ito talaga yung labubu na original na from Marikina. So ayan, ang cute lang niya kasi. What colors do we have here?
Brown and purple and blue.
Blue. What's the Tagalog of brown? Natabang kagigising ko lang. Sobrang hapit sa content eh. No? What's the Tagalog of brown?
Pink.
What's the Tagalog?
Brown.
Tagalog.
Tagalog. Ito na.
Diba? You're always using ano kasi? Cho?
Cho.
What's the Tagalog of brown? Cho?
Cho.
Chocolate. Ay, you don't know na.
Chocolate.
And then how about the blue? What's the Tagalog?
Pukaw.
How about the violet or the purple? What's the Tagalog?
Lila.
Diba? Okay. Ito guys is 50 pesos to sa Marikina. Sabi pa ni Kuya, nagkakaubusan na daw talaga. Nagkakaubusan na daw nito. Pero ewan ko naman, baka legit naman. What are you doing? Don't join in my vlog na lang.
Yeah, man.
What's that? You're not prepared. Oh, you sit down. Later na natin i-fix. Later na. Just pretend that it's, ano, go out. So, ito, Rian. So, ito guys, 50 pesos to. Binili ko to kasi papang bigay ko sana sa Pasko. Yan. Ang cute niya. Tapos ganito siya. Diba? Ang cute. Tinawaran ko to kay Kuya eh. Pinatawaran ko lang ng 10 pesos. 200. Sabi ko, Kuya, 190 na lang. Pamasahe ko lang. Kumayag naman siya. Ayan. So cute. Diba? Oh. What are you going to say? I'm done na.
You're done.
What are you doing? Don't go out na. You're not doing something naman in my vlog eh. Oh. Say bye-bye na to them.
No, I don't cry.
Oh, yung vlog na oh. Oh, you say something. Make sure that you're going to say something. You make a vlog, another vlog for you. Oh.
What's this?
I don't know.
The colors. This is guys. It's colors, and you can press it for like this. See of this. You can put it like this. It's just hard, and you can press.
Close your mouth. Okay, and then what will happen if you press it? Rian, tulala ka sa mukha mo. So that's all for today. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na.
Bye.